So, ang na-notice na ko ni Bench over the years is ang iyang short hair, and pagka-matured niya is nagka-anam-anam na siya. Di pareha pag last year, pag grade 7, na murag baby looks pa siya, tapos karon murag bad girl na gamay na siya puhok. And dili na siya si baby Bench nga cute kay hairstyle sa una nga pinag-donut sa hair, and karon yung hairstyle karon is more on like mga bad girl nga nakita na ko sa mga movie. And si Bench is more on mature na siya, like kaya na niya i-handle ang own problem. I think ang goals ni Bench is wala man siya na change yun until now. Wala man siya na change. I think yung mga goals to be successful and murag makuha niya ang career niya in the future, to be a like PNP, unsa to tawag niya, PNP ba to, mo dyan na iyang ganahan in the future. Ang strength niya or skills na nakita na ko nagdevelop and kanang iyahang drawing. Ito yung first time na ko nakita yung drawing, gato na ni-post siya sa IG, and ganahan ko sa drawing na siya realistic char. And katong pag grade 7 man good is wala pa ko kita niya nga mag-drawing pa, di pa ka siya showy. So murag karon hantod nagka anam na mig kadako or nag-anam na mig payong na senior high school is murag kuan na yung pag draw yung pag like may mo drawing, like yeah. Naay one moment na I felt proud of her when she joined when she joined Sport Fest last year, when we just grade 11. Ato nga moment is I felt proud because before dili siya tig-apil og mga ana kasi mawa pa siya, and when like yeah. So I see myself niya katong sa una pa jud nga di pa kay ko dili pa kay ko kuan marag tig-apil-apil ana, mawa pa ko, I have anxiety, and I know nga siya sad na feel sad na niya nga kuan nga she felt kana anxiety. I don't know if she felt that, but I know to her nga I'm proud best friend. Yeah. So I'm proud of her nga she felt confident now nga mo apela na. So yeah.
Growing up, I learned the value of community, resilience, and diversity. These experiences shaped my belief in the importance of human connection, purpose, and understanding others. My life philosophy emphasizes the value of relationships, living with purpose, embracing diversity, and being resilient. Through the ups and downs of life, these principles have guided me towards a fulfilling and meaningful existence. My life has always been a tough journey, been fighting everyday battles that somehow is hard to face on an everyday basis. But the philosophy of just living makes me understand myself and others beyond understanding itself. A fulfilling existence is based on having a solid understanding of who I am. Through exploring my values, beliefs, strengths, and limitations, I am able to make decisions that are true to who really I am. This self-awareness gives me the ability to aim meaningful goals, aim solid bonds with others, and overcome obstacles in life with resiliency. Reflection is the cornerstone of personal growth. I may develop fresh viewpoints, learn new abilities, and set new goals as I keep learning and developing. This constant journey of self-improvement gives me the ability to deal with exchange, overcome obstacles, and lead a more satisfying life. Through self-awareness, ongoing introspection, and personal growth, I may make wish decisions, aim enduring connections, and accomplish my objectives. My life is greatly enhanced by the ongoing process of self-discovery, which is a lifetime effort.